Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. And today, I got a review of a solar lantern. Alright? Yep, solar lantern. Now, you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified of the videos. Tell a friend, and stay tuned towards the end and give you some more information about a giveaway on the channel. Alright? Now we got all the business and politics out of the way. Hold on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Too easy. It's free. It's free. Don't cost no energy. Just go ahead and hit that. Alright. Now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright. Today, like I said, I got a solar lantern from a company called Idealife. It's a solar power lantern, like if you put outside in the yard and everything, or on your patio or deck, whatever. It has dancing flame lights on there, waterproof, outdoor hanging lantern, flickering flame torch, three light modes on it, the night light dusk to dawn landscape light for patio and deck or your yard. And I'm reading that straight off the page, right? So basically, it has a dusk to dawn feature where it comes on by itself when it gets dark, then it shuts off for daylight, and it's waterproof. It's basically like, for a landscape light almost, So here it is, right here, because you can have it either way. But I'm gonna take it out of the package. This is what it looks like, and you can either have it hanging, or you can have it sticking on the ground in the yard, around your porch or whatever, your walkway, your pathway, or you can have it hanging, from your porch, or you can have it like you install it, screw it to the side of a building, the side of the house, or whatever, either way. But let's see what we got inside the box. There's not really nothing too much on the outside of the box. It's a plain box. It's got LED solar torch light. So you can go ahead and open this bad boy up. Hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Alright, here's some of the components right here. And I forgot to mention the price on here. This was like about $28.99. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below to where you can go to check it out for yourself. Just so you can get more information on it. I'm just gonna give you a little brief rundown on it. But anyway, this is part of some of the parts. Got your little chain so you can hang it up or whatever. But I'm gonna show you from a different angle after we get it out of the box and get it together, and show you how it looks. Got your instructions on here. So, alright, open up. Here's your instruction. This is what it's going to look like. Here's some more parts. I guess they fit together like that or whatever. But I'm pretty much probably going to have it staked to the ground, or I'm still kind of torn. I might just have it hanging. I'm not sure. Take it out of the box. To the side. Get the light out itself. Take it out of the bag. And what else we have in here? We have poles. We have 2 poles. So some kind of way they go together. So I'm going to put them to the side. Wait a minute. We have something else in here. Okay. I see what this is. This is like so you can put the poles together if you want it higher, if you want to be tall or whatever. Or if you just only need one pole, you know what I'm saying? It's up to you. But I'm gonna put all this stuff to the side. I'm gonna switch the camera angles, and so you can see what the actual product looks like. Get that box out of the way. And see, this looks pretty nice. Pretty nice looking light. Got a little what is this? Some on my finger. Looks like a little lion or whatever. It got different little animal pictures on here. Let me see what it is. Okay, you can see the solar panels right here. And you can use this clip to hang it, and it also came with these other clips right here, so you can go ahead and either clip them on there and use this one, or you can just use this one by itself. It's up to you. And got a little plastic on the solar panels. I'm gonna peel that off. Peel that plastic off. Like I said, forget to mention that it's waterproof. Sit it outside. Let the sun charge it up. You ain't got to worry about charging it. Let me see if I can get it to come on. With the studio light, it might not come on. What I'm gonna do Let's turn the light down in the studio and see if this thing will come on real quick. Alright. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Click it. Okay, click it the second time, it kind of blinks on and off. And click it the third time, so you got a solid red light. And the last click goes off. One click, you have that little flame looking feature. That's pretty cool. But I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera angles so you guys can see how it looks from a different angle. Alright? Hold tight. Okay. We're back at a different angle. So I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to show you the Idealife solar lantern at a different angle. Alright? Alright, now we got it all out of the box and got all the parts out of here, as you can see right here. Some of the parts. As you have like for your pole, if you want to have it on the pole, you have two spacers, two poles with a spacer. So if you want to have it tall, sitting up, you want to have it sitting up tall, you can have it sitting up tall like that. You put it together like that. It comes with the two poles and a little bitty spacer in the middle, right? I'm not going to use those right now because I think I'm just going to hang it from my porch. I think it looks better like having it on a porch or sit it on one of my lawn tables and have it like a little fixture like that. But anyway, there's different ways you can set up it. Like on the box right here, I'll show you on the box. You can either have it sticking in the ground, which I'm probably gonna pick up a few more and then do my walkway that way. But for right now, I'm just gonna have it hanging. You could either mount it to the side of a building, the side of your wall, or on your house or whatever. Or like I said, this is how I'm gonna have it set up. I'm gonna have it hanging, or no, I'm gonna have it like this one. Right? I'm gonna have it hanging from a porch. I'm gonna do it that way instead of using the pole. All right. Because of me, just having one, it looks better. But in order to have it using the stake, I think you would have to have more than just one. So, as for having one, I'm just gonna do it like that for right now. But anyway, and see this is the elbow that you would use to go ahead to mount it sideways. So you stick these together like this, and then. That's why it comes with 3 different screws. I'm gonna show you screws, and this is how it will look having it mounted like that. So let me change it around like this so you can stick. There you go. It will look just like that. See at the bottom of it, you have 3 screw holes right here, right? And it comes with 2 different types of screws. It comes with 3 long screws. That's for when you want to mount it in the wall, and you get 3 of these tiny screws right here to I don't know if you can see that, it's not focusing in on there. It comes 3 of these, and that's what you use to attach it to the bottom of the lamp. Alright, but see, I'm not gonna have to use all that because all I'm gonna do is take the chain that came with it and hang it like that, you know. And or if you don't want to use the chain, it has a clip already on it to, you know, for a shorter distance. All right. Let me just show you what it looks like from this angle with the lights off, because I think let me see right there, turn it off. There you go. Let me turn the lights down in the studio so you can see so you can see the effect. All right, Alexa, turn off studio. And go ahead and while I'm doing that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know I'm rushing through the video, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, here we go. Bam. That's the first click, the first setting. So I already had it set on the first setting, right? Now if you have a rubber button on the bottom, I'm gonna click it a second time. That will give you like a pulsating mode, like fade in and out, blinking in and out. And then for a steady stay on light, click it a third time and it stays on a solid color. Alright? And then last click, fourth click, just turn it off. So 1 click, the flickering flame mode. 2 clicks, pulsating mode. 3rd click, solid mode. 4th click off. Now, you don't have to worry about going in and turning this thing on and off all the time because one, when daytime, during the daytime, it's with the solar panel. When the light hits that solar panel, bam! See how the light hit the solar panel, it shut off. Now, when it gets dark outside, it'll come on and stay on for like, I want to say about 8 to 10 hours, something like that. Don't quote me, but I'll leave a link to the product in the description box so you can go click on it and just get more information on it yourself. But like I said, rechargeable battery here. You don't got to worry about turning it off. You ain't got to worry about charging it. Leave it out in the sunlight all day long. Let it, for the first time you use it, you want to leave it out there, let it charge. Let it sit in the sun, real bright lit area with a lot of sun for about a good 5 to 8 hours for the first time using it. After that, bam, it stay lit pretty much almost all night. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how much sunlight it gets during the day. You know what I'm saying? So other than that, you know, I think this is a pretty cool, neat little product right here from Idealife. Make sure. Let me check the website. Make sure we got the tablet. Yeah, Idealife solar lantern, the dancing flame. All right, and this is where you get it from Amazon. And like I said, this is a nice little add-on for your porch. You know what I'm saying? You get ready to be summertime, get ready to be springtime, spend a lot of time outside, or just want to have, you know, decorate you know, the outdoors out in your yard. You know what I'm saying? Put it on the poles, whatever. You know, Alexa, turn on studio. Alright, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend. And like I said in the beginning, once we get to 2,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing some I'm going to be doing some giveaways, some of the products to review right here on the channel. Once we get to this 2,000 subscriber mark. So once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, then some of the products I review right here on the channel, I'll be doing some giveaways, alright? Alright, but you know, the sooner we get there, the sooner we get to them giveaways, alright? So subscribe. And I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to be notified of new videos. Tell a friend. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright, message for the day is, I'm always hitting on this right here, common courtesy. Just have common courtesy and respect each other. You know what I'm saying? Have respect for one another and common courtesy. Common courtesy goes a long way, and respect each other. You know what I'm saying? That's the message for the day. Respect each other and have common courtesy. That's the message for the day. Ain't too easy. Plain and simple. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screw Reviews. Drop the mic. And I'm out. Peace.